This is the second part of our lesson on equation of a line practice. So our next question, all of these said find the equation of a line, that. So this is the line that passes through 6, -4, and has a slope of 2/3. So in order to do an equation of a line, we need two things. We need the slope and we need the y-intercept. That, by the way, is not the y-intercept. So I need slope and y-intercept. And then together, we are going to use those to make our equation. So, did the question tell me my slope? Yes, it did. It said the slope is 2/3. So that means m, that's the letter we use for slope, is 2/3. How about the y-intercept? Is there any chance they told us the y-intercept? No. So if they did tell us the y-intercept as a point, it would be 0 and something, and it's not. And they didn't say what the y-intercept was. So we're going to have to calculate it. And to calculate it, we use the formula y equals mx plus b. So we want to solve for b, that's what y-intercept is. I know that m is 2/3, so x and y are going to come from the point that they gave us. Every point has an x and a y coordinate. So that means for y, I can put in -4. For m, I can put in 2/3. For x, we can put in 6. And then plus b. So I have -4 equals 2/3 times 6 plus b. My next step is going to be to multiply these two numbers together and simplify them as much as I can. So I have -4 equals, when you multiply fractions, we do top times top, bottom times bottom. Underneath that 6 is a secret 1. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 1 is 3. Plus b. Does 12 divide nicely by 3? Why, yes, it does. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So to solve for b, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. If you need to flip your equation over first, you're welcome to do that. -4 minus 4 is actually -8. You can use your calculator to help you with that if you need to. So I now know that my slope is 2/3. I know that my y-intercept is -8. So we are ready to write our equation. So y equals mx plus b is what we're going to start with. We're going to leave the x and y. We're going to sub in for m and b. So I get y equals m, so 2/3 x, and then plus b, but it's a negative, so I'm going to write -8. And there's the equation of our line. You can join me in the next video to do the third example.